This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Brooke Conley. Relish in maintenance-free living when you step into this turnkey oceanfront condo. Located just 1 mile from the beach, this lovingly maintained home boasts over 1,000 square feet of functional living space. The first floor features a nicely updated kitchen with new formica countertops and stainless steel appliances. The main living space is complete with beautiful laminate floors, vaulted ceilings, skylights, and a wood-burning fireplace. Also enjoy access to your private patio with peaceful marsh views. Upstairs features 2 spacious primary suites with ensuite bathrooms and laundry area. Additional property highlights include a new variable speed HVAC system installed in March 2022 and a master flood insurance policy included in the monthly condo fee. All in all, with close proximity to the oceanfront, boardwalk, restaurants, live entertainment, military bases and more, this condominium is move-in ready and provides convenient access to all that Virginia Beach has to offer. For more information, review the details below.